Let's quickly look at how to make these textured hands. First, cut out your hem pattern on your main leather, then divide this side into two. Whatever your measurement is, divide it into two. So after dividing into two, we draw a straight line. This will guide us on the textured line. Okay, so make sure you have an even measurement. Whatever your measurement is, also take it inside here. So do the same for the other side of the vamp, which is this side. Draw the straight line also. This will guide us later. So after that, we also draw a straight line on this inside part of it, so that we all have an even design. Okay, so after this, we are going to cut a thread or a rope like this that is firm and strong. This we are going to infuse it inside this leather like so. So make sure you take accurate measurement before you cut it out. Now we are going to apply adhesive on the leather and also on the rope, as well as the lining. So my adhesive has dried, the one on the rope and also the lining, they are all dried. So now what we are going to do is use this rope and place on the line that we drew earlier. Make sure that it's on the straight line. Okay, just do this gently, making sure that you don't have curves. Everything is evenly placed, that they are all straight. Okay, so now we'll do it on the other side of the vamp, making sure that it's placed on the line that we drew earlier, and there is no curves, no nothing. So let it just be straight and evenly spaced. Okay, so what if you see any or notice any curve, just open it up and straighten it again. All right, so now that we have placed this, make sure you stretch out everything, and we're going to place it on our lining. So now I'll gently place this on the lining like so. Stretch out everything with my hand, no crease, no wrinkles. Then with the tip of my pen, the end part of it, I will use it to get out all the shape of the rope that we infused inside. So I'll do this gently, no rush, do that so that the shape will come out properly. So do this gently, making sure that you follow the line that the rope created inside now, and bring out everything. So you can see the way it comes out. My leather is thick, that's why this is the back, is easily seen because the lining is light. So I'm going to do this on this other side. So look at how it looks now. So if your leather is light, it's going to come out very quickly, unlike when it's thick. So I'm going to cut this out now and do the second vamp for the second leg. Okay, so then I will also trim it out. So now I've trimmed the two of them out. If you are sewing it, make sure you sew far away from the thread or the rope so that you don't destroy the shape. Okay, so after using my pen, I use the blunt side of my knife to bring out the shape even more, so that everything lies out, since I'm not going to sew my own. So the next thing is just to couple. This is how it looks like after I'm done. So I hope you're going to try this. If you do enjoy this tutorial, share, like and subscribe. See you.